here are what I'm stacking firewood on now. These plastic pallets. They won't rot like the wood. They are a little bit more brittle in the winter, so we'll see how they hold up. But so far, so good. It got pretty nasty out. It was like 30 this morning, or earlier today, and it's only about 3:30 going on 4 o'clock. Getting dark already. The wind picked up, so sorry if there's a lot of wind noise right now. It's the wind really picked up, and I got a load. What I'm trying to do, I got a customer that wants 2 cords, and they live a little bit out of my area, so I'm going to try to fit 2 cords in this 14-foot dump trailer. We'll see if we can do it. I'm going to stack it. If I throw it in loose, I don't think I can, unless I really heap it up. I don't think I can get the 2 cords in. So 14-foot dump trailer with about 2 feet left in the front or back is a cord thrown in loosely, piled up to the sides. A 12-foot dump trailer full to the sides is without the boards. The boards are extra, but a 12-foot full to the sides, you can throw a cord in loose. So we'll see if we can stack 2 cord in here. So I was just trying to figure out how many feet are in 2 cords. So, all this firewood pretty much cut to 16 inches. So each row is a face cord width. And then 3 rows, 8 feet long, 4 feet high, is your cord. So if you did that, it would be 48 feet. That's what I came up. 48 feet is the length, a straight line of 2 cords. And what I have here is 4 rows, 14 feet long. They're only going to be about 3 feet high, so I'm going to have to do a little bit, there'll be a little bit of a difference there. So 14 row stacks to the edge of this boards, so that'd be 3 feet high, is it's 56 feet. It's 14-foot rows, but so 56, I'll have to do that. There's going to be a foot difference, so I'll have to add some maybe down the side for the to make up that extra foot. 48 feet long, if that makes sense to you. So pressing on. Starting to get dark. I mean, I can still see, especially with the snow, but just to light it up, I'm going to use the M18 rocket light, the tripod light I featured in another video. Yeah, so I know it always looks lighter on camera than it really is, but let's set this up. Lights up the wood pile, and that lights up my wood and the trailer. So nice light. I have another one too, the M12. to get slippery in here with the snow. So that's always fun. So continuing from the other day, I got to get 2 cords loaded for a sale that's kind of farther away, so I want to get both cords in my dump trailer. It's a 14-foot dump with 2-foot sides with a 1-foot board, so 3 foot, and I'm going to make 4 stacks there and then stack some on the side, and I should be able to get, if you figure out the length, which I did in the previous video, should be able to get both cords in here as long as we stack it nice. So got the helpers with me today. It's Christmas Eve. There's another one around here. Alright, so we finally finished loading this 14-foot dump trailer with, we had Christmas and everything, so it wasn't a must-do item. It was when we get around to it, but we've been chipping away at it. Finally got all the wood loaded. There's a lot of wood in here, 2 cords roughly. That's what the guy wants, 2 cords. So we stacked it. There's 4 rows in here. The kids were helping me, so they're kind of an ugly 4 rows, but you got 1, 2, 3, 4 rows at 14 feet long by 3 feet high, and then about 2 pieces wide by 3 feet high, 14 feet long. So roughly there's about 60 linear feet, 3 feet high in this trailer. If you took 2 cords at 4 feet high and put it in a linear row, you'd be at 48 feet. So we're at about 60 feet. So 56 plus this side down here puts us at about 60. So 60 feet at 3 feet high versus 48 feet at 4 feet high. There's an extra 12 feet in this trailer at 3 feet high to make up the difference of the 12-foot difference. So you can put 2 cords in one of these trailers. This is a 14-footer. I don't think you could do it in a 12. I've seen a 12-foot trailer with extra boards on the side, and that was thrown in loosely, and the guy was saying it's 2 cords, and I don't think so. You have to stack it if you want to get that much wood in here. I mean, there's a lot of wood in here. We've been stacking. It's not even worth it, really. I'm selling this for $400 to a friend, and 2 cords of wood. Pretty much cleaned out most of my usable wood, my dry wood. So you can stack 2 cords in a 14-foot trailer. I would have just thrown it in loosely. It would have been faster and taken 2 trips, but it's kind of a little bit farther away, so I wanted to do it in one. That's why I did this, because it takes a lot longer to stack the wood in the trailer. So we got it in. Thanks for watching, and Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. That's 2 cords. There's a lot there.